Matthew Lester from Matthew Lester Website Design. Today I'm going to go over a video on how to set up your pickups. So you've got your pickups already set up, it's ready to go, but for some reason you can't get the products to show up at checkout. So here you can see if I choose pickup at checkout, it says your order isn't available for pickup, enter a shipping address. So this is a problem. So how to fix this is under your products page, each product at the bottom under inventory, you can see down here that it has a quantity and the location name. So if your pickup location does not show a quantity available, this item will not be able to get picked up. So in order to change this, you click Edit Locations and also add your curbside pickup. And then you click Save. Now you've got to do this for all of your products. So once you've done that, then all of your products that are available, that have an inventory available, will be able to pick up in curbside pickup. And if we go back to the checkout page, and I click pick up, now you can see that pickup location is available. And of course pickup is always free and they can continue to their payment. And that's how you fix your curbside pickup when products are not showing up in the checkout for pickup. Matthew Lester for Matthew Lester Website Designs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, subscribe, and a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.